Sheldon Creed was back there as well, jamming on the brakes. In fact, there's Creed right there.
He'll have to come get his tires. That was a lot of smoke.
Focus on it and hit it again.
Yeah, he had to be really surprised when this happened. Left plenty of room.
Well, that could have been disastrous for Sheldon Creed.
Listen to it. Listen to him make these decisions.
Man, that was a great job missing that wreck.
That was awesome. You don't get it. It doesn't get any better than that. He was.
Vince, that I've seen anybody go in the last little bits. The second and a half off of our fastest truck so far. Hello.
He's in there in front of him.
Uh-oh. One good thing about on the dirt, the speeds are with Bubba Wallace.
And watch Bubba lose control, get around, and here comes Stuart Friesen. Friesen spins to save it.
Keep on him. Maybe he decides to try to run the top, and yeah, got in a little high. There's just not enough grip there.
Brake, hold the brake.
The 4 of John Hunter Nemechek. See if you can get a look up ahead. There's Roper.
That's when you just hope, Vince, that truck stays pinned up high, and nice reaction there from the spot.
John Hunter Nemechek.
Listen for tire spin.
51, on you tight. Keep going here. Got them coming up. Get up to the top. Yellow's out. Yellow's out. Left front's down. Easy. Easy. Yeah, I got damage here. Hold on.
Ride with Sheldon Creed.
Top lane stacking hard here. Stacking hard. No wrecking. No wrecking. No wrecking. Check up. Check up. Check up. Check up. Check up. Staying at bottom. Staying at bottom.
Look at that.
Bottom. Free. Give him room. Just stay up top on the wall. Still green. Still green. Keep digging. All clear.
Bam.
Luckily, Fluffin ran into him. Oh, this is going to be interesting.
One more about. Wrecking up top. Check up. 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 Come on down. Down and down. One inside. One inside. Come on up. All clear. Nice order. One inside. Still inside. 99 push the queue. And stay there.
Whoa.
Wow. Boy, this is scary as well.
See, the green light is on.
Yep.
The caution hadn't fallen.
You can see Josh is going to try to close that hole up, and as he was pulling up into that hole, Derek came over. And
It's been tight tonight, Upsview. Caution early at Pocono. Onboard.
He was squeezed in there. See there, he just, the truck checked up ahead of him. He went up. John Hunter, flat tire, gets into Creed. See what Shot saw here.
There. They're still running into him. From Haley Deegan's view. Normally enter on an oval. This is on board the 26 of Ankrum.
Wow. A 360 in the S's without hitting the fence.
On board with Chandler Smith.
You saw it get big. Got hit from behind and turned into the outside fence.
Check this out as the 16 of Austin Hill runs into this mess. Where's he at? Where'd he go?
Howard 21, here's his visor cam. Just checking the mirror, looking around. And
whoa, he barely made it around the outside of the 75.
Smith right here. Just get into the 10. Bang.
Yeah, that was not intentional.
Nope.
Just she.
he sees the wreck up ahead, and he's like, I'm just going to commit low.
You know, there's a chance that he couldn't see through that smoke, Kurt. You know, we see he just suffered some more.
Well, and once somebody gets sideways, this is a very narrow racetrack, and it's hard to avoid if you're behind them.
That was some fancy driving, wasn't it?
I mean, there's just the accordion effect everywhere, and Haley did the best job of just shutting it down. Just like, abort.
Clear.
Just snuck through there. And, you know, he roughed up Self right there, all right. And he sees him get loose off two, so he's going to swoop to the inside. But Self wasn't really happy about the turn one situation.
That almost looked like a hook, didn't it?
It definitely looked like a hook. And then with this incident here, yeah.
Been quite a day for Josh. They'd recovered from those brake problems and got back on the lead lap and ran up into the top 15. And then his hood went up.